Today I show you my circular pixel scratch effect, how to use it and custom it. There is some previously applied result. We have updated this action. See the quality, you can custom everything. The include dispersion and without this dispersion, and you can direction the circle top, left, right, bottom, any of area. So another one is auto replace your photo color. The circle is replace your photo color. See the another quality, and also you can include the motion option. Another quality, you can change background and make transparent background easily. This is update, all our update preview and our old preview. Okay, now I show you how to use it and custom it. Go my download file, there is show brush file and our action file. This is cover and our supporting information preview. You can get support very easily in mention information. You can read the help file. Also there is our supporting information and how to use written format. Okay, first we need to load brush, then load our script. Select or double click, it's load your Photoshop, or you can load manually. Go Photoshop, go window, brush option, click. Now brush plate show, more option, click and input brush. Find out my download file, main file there, go there, and there is show brush. Load me first, select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. And go window action option, click. Now action plate maybe show the right side. You have settled it left side for better understanding purpose. Now you can go window and click the layer option. Now layer is show. More option and load action. Find out my download file and load button. Select the action file and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Up and down option, this is the folder and this is the script. Now it's loaded and need to open a photo. I have opened this photo this time. Make sure your photo is enough space, top, left, right. If you think the enough space, then you can use the process, or if not the enough space, you can make a space, use the crop tool and make the space. Or firstly check up which side you want to the our circle, left side or right side. So if you use the left side circle, so you need to more space in left side, and already our space is enough. If not your photo, you can make the space, use the crop tool. Okay, and make sure your photo is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format, that is not accept the action. You need to fix it. Right button, click your mouse and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer. And make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. If not, go image mode, RGB color, click there. If show an images, click OK button. Now I have checked the image size. If you use the more high resolution image, then action needs some time extra. So I have typed in there standard size for my video short purpose, and it's okay. Now I want to brush first, quick selection tool, select Second tool, quick selection tool, select, and there is show select subject button. Click the select subject button, and now photo is selection. Create a new layer and double click the new layer text option. Type there CUT card. All are small letter. Do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or others. Just click the blank area. Now is set. And pen bucket tool, fill up any color. You can fill up the cut layer. So is selection mode now on. You need to deselect first, otherwise our action make the error result. Selection and deselect. If there is any area mistake, our auto selection, so you can brushes manually select the hard brush in general brush section, and I have small it some and brush the brush layers. See, I have select the brush cut layer, and I am brushing the cut layer. If you think some area mistake, you can brush manually. I think it's okay, done. So I need to left side our circles. So if I need to left side, so I have marks our brush point now the right side. So if you want right side, so reverse it left side. Create a new layer and type there BRUSS brush, and now change the color. Same spelling, my spelling, this is spelling include our help file, any other contrast color. And now I want to block the section. Just see, if you want to head and other areas, so you can brush there, this area, and there, okay. This is this on kind of brushing. And if you want the hand area, so you pick the hand, and now okay, brush, now done. So I want to hand, and our circle start in hand. Brushing is finished now, and I have select the brush layer. Do not select the cutout layer. Final layer, select the brush layer. Make sure you select the brush layer, and as it is do, I want to the circle in left side, so I brush the right side. Select our all-in-one action, play me. Just select and hit the play button. Now start working. Please do not change anything. Work as it is, as I show. So start working. All layers are separate. You can custom everything and control everything, and maintenance every effect very easily. And background remove, just to click. Wait and see, I show you how to make it transparent PNG. Also we have include some of color version and background color. You can use your photographic color, or you can use the solid color. So if your PC configuration is good and image size is standard, then it's come out first result. Hello, the action is done working. Now you can custom. This is a stop finishing result message. Okay, and this is the default setting. You can change everything. So if you don't like the dispersion, you can check out this folder, and Spark 1 and Spark 2, just uncheck these two layers, this 2 and 1, uncheck the layer view icon, and now only for circle. And you can use the circle in dark mode. See, there is the highlight dark mode, and our dispersion use, okay, and remove some area. Select the spark option and marks point this blank option and the brush tool, and you can brush and it's remove area. Okay, and our others dispersion, this is the long and extra bold style dispersion. Also you can use marks the folder and remove some area. If you don't like the overall area, so you can remove some of area. So I do not need this time this dispersion. And there is the extra option. See the other side cut out, only left side and another one. And this is the motion style. You can use the motion, see, and another motion. Select and you can marks option, select and brush, see. So you can combine it, and there is the adjustment. You can make adjust and colorful, and you can make it PNG transparent. Check out the option. I have uncheck all option now, my default setting, and uncheck the, make sure all layer, background layer are unchecked, and background white uncheck and background uncheck. Now is transparent PNG. You can save it transparent PNG file and quick export as PNG. And I want to remove circle. Now you can use this one, quick export as PNG without dispersion. And see, this is the photography, and select the marks and brush tool, and you can use softly for smoothing purpose in shape, and also you can use there shape and circle adjustment. See, it's look like great, and you can brush this area also. See, now it's great looking, and you can change the background color, and if you want your own color, select anyone and double click this one and pick the color in your photography, and face tone and another tone, and t-shirt tone. See, the looking is great now. So everything is editable, and boldest, highlight and lace the color. If you want to lace the color, so you can change the color mode. See, just lace opacity. And now I hide this one and use this one. See, another one, and this one, the two side of element, and your real background. So if you want to the real background, you can your original background, so you can use this setup. And there is a color adjustment. You can use the color adjustment very easily. Just view and show new look. This is gradient style. Okay, now I show you another photography, like this one. This time I have used the right side, so there is not enough space. I make the space first, and image and size. You can use any high resolution. This section support any high resolution image. Quick selection tool, select and select subject button, create a new layer and type there cut, and fill up any color. You can select and fill up, and selection and deselect. Now create a new layer and brush, and now you can select any reverse color or any others color and hard brush, general hard brush and brush layer. Now if you want to circle this round, so you can brush there, or if you want to circle this round, so you can brush this option. So totally circle come out your brushing style. This is one kind of brushing style. You can use the another brushing style like this one. So you can try every shape, and I do not like to this area circle, only this area. So I brush there, fill area. Okay, now select and all in all hit the play button. Now make sure you select the brush layer, then you hit the play button. Start working. So in this time I show you something. Visit our shop, Creative Market MRI Studio, and this product is available there. Download there, and also I have included my video description download link, and our all product is available in MRI Studio Creative Market shop. See and check out all product. Also you can download this product in our Inverto Graphics River Market MRI Cocoon action.net. This is our on-site, and there is some product, some maximum product are flash sale going on. All product are discount price, and you can download the bundle offer, 99% discount bundle offer going on. See 99%, and our all product are flash sale discount option. So visit our shop, our own shop, www.photoshopaction.net. Okay, the result is finished now, and see the looking. And if I use this circle, so circle is start using there, and you can remove the circle or add the circle. This is the circle option. Visit the circle option page. See, you can use this marks folder and remove area, or want to add area, select this one firstly, brush, and it's added. See, and I reverse it, the color is black, and brush again and smoothly I have brushed now. See the looking. Also you can brush this option for hard looking purpose. And spark option height, dispersion, and another option height. See, only for circle. And photography, top color black. See the looking, realistic purpose. Is good. Thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our email or our Facebook fan page or our WhatsApp number.